Hello everyone, welcome to the Road to the Millionaire Retirement. My name is Andrew and thank you for checking out this channel and watching my video. In today's video, I want to go over my February report, the last month report, to show you guys how my portfolio did for the February. And not surprised, it did pretty bad because of that last week of the February, which I guess from what I read from the article, that with the bond going up for people seeking safety, that the stock market has been going down. Just giving you guys heads up, I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not really into reading the details of stock market news regarding bond, treasury yield, and all the details that makes up what is going to affect stock market. I usually mostly pay attention to the company itself and what's going on within the company. For example, like the member of directors getting changed, or a new product that might be coming out, or the things that could affect them, like in earnings, sales going down and stuff like that. So I mean, I look into certain level of news, but not too much and not a lot. Anyway, going back to February report, it was pretty bad, and let's check out the performance. Alright, so my February report, we started with 108,938, so 109,000 almost, and we ended at 109,764, which is like almost $2,000. And as you can see here, our profit was in negative 2,466. But very surprisingly, my dividend was 292. That $300 dividend caught me off guard, because I think by far this is the highest dividends I have ever earned. I mean, obviously, with most company raising their stock every year, it's bound to go up every single year. But it's pretty exciting to see the dividend, at least compared to last month, which I received only $27. You know, it's more than 10 times the amount. So I'm very happy with the dividend. And as you can see, all my dividends for at least 2000 has been pretty good. Usually breaking most three-digit number. So February, negative 2,466. It's not too bad, considering, like, looking at my previous record, there are other negative that's around that much, like average like 2000, 5,000. I don't know what happened this month. And we have the March, when the stock market take a dip from that coronavirus. And we have August, when negative 2,000, another negative 2,000, negative 2,000, and negative 3,000, and negative 2,000. So I guess like 2,000, between 2,000 to maybe high 2,000 is pretty average. But considering that my portfolio is getting better, these numbers are a lot less. It doesn't match evenly, because when you lose $2,000 from $100,000, it's a lot different than when losing, $2,000 from the $40,000, because the amount of percentage you're losing is not the same. So I guess in that sense, losing, consistently losing $2,000 going forward is actually great, because it's a lot less percentage from my portfolio. So let's compare this year 2021 February to last year 2020. And we will really, obviously it's also negative, but this is the beginning of the COVID, so this could have stayed. If I remember correctly, I think I was up, halfway into February I was up positive, and then the second half is when the whole quarantine happened and it started to go down. So this could have been positive, but last year February it was negative. We'll go to 2019 February, we have 1,200 gain, and we'll go to 2018 February, it's a negative 2,000, and 2017 February, another negative, 2016 February, another negative. So I guess February by far has, at least on my, this is my 6th year February. So out of the 6th February that I have experienced so far, I believe I only have one that was positive, and every other February was negative. So with that said, maybe February is just unlucky months out of the year, or it could be just a coincidence that 5 out of 6 February for the past 6 years was negative. It's interesting. Well, let's look at March. Let's see what we can expect from March. March, okay, that's a COVID, so I don't know if we could count that, but it's negative. And 2018 March, we got little gain, 691. Let's see, 2018 March is negative. 2017 March is also negative. 2016 March is positive. So I guess we're looking at, if we average this up, I think we're looking at almost like even break. So I guess next year we could be looking at, or not next year, I'm sorry, this March, I guess technically we're in March 1st right here. So I guess we could be looking at pretty even break. But with that said, if you guys seen this morning so far, my portfolio has bounced back from the last Friday. I think it was last Friday that my portfolio dropped 3,000, or was it the day before that, the Thursday? But it's up, 2.86%, 3,000. I'm at 109. So starting March, we're starting off pretty good. So we'll see how this month goes. It's gonna be very interesting. Hopefully, my option trading on Exxon does well. I'm gonna show you guys how is that doing before I log off. Alright, so this is my option trading account only. So this account is strictly for the options. This is why I call it go nut, like, just go crazy. The first thing I should mention is that I only put $1,000 into this account. So anything over 1,000 is a gain. So right now, currently, I'm sitting at 1,400, so $400 worth of gain so far. So the Exxon option expires in April 16th, so I still got about a month and a half. Hopefully by then the Exxon will continue to grow, because it's been growing pretty well for last 10 months. So I figure, you know what, I guess the Exxon is doing well for after the COVID fall. So I'm gonna see if I could just play risky, because this option trading account is pretty risky account that I made. That's why I'm only putting in $1,000, and hopefully we'll see how much this goes by the April 16th. I'll keep you guys updated. Probably not too often, but Exxon, I bought 15 option. I'm sorry, 15 contracts. So wish me luck, guys. We'll see if this pays off at the end. Well, anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you for watching my February report video. I hope you guys enjoy what I make as far as content wise. It's not that much creative, because I'm just talking about my stock portfolio. But if you guys enjoy the journey that I'm going through, or if you guys like to see the journey that I'm going, then subscribe, so that way you guys could see where my portfolio is going. And if you guys like what you guys see, press that thumbs up like. If you guys don't like what you see, press that thumb down like, or press thumb down and or dislike. And just let me know what I can do to improve my channel and my video, so that way you guys can enjoy the video more better. That's terrible. My grammar is not that good either. Anyway, I hope you guys all best of luck, and good luck on the stock market.